Hello. Today I'm going to be working on removing a rear lamp bulb that was blown on my XC90. It's a 2007. First you have to drop the tailgate, open it up, gain access. Next, this is placed in the floorboard. So what you do is you remove this first. Then you can remove the side panel, which is over here. That's the side panel. You just pull it out from the bottom. It'll come right out like that. Then when you look inside, there's a nut that's here that is actually, let's see what size this is. It's a 10 millimeter. So you loosen this up right here. It's a 10 millimeter. And as you can see, it's an extended nut. It goes all the way through to attach itself onto the lens. Take that one out. And after that, there's a second one. Kind of place where it's at. Oh, it's up at the top in this corner right here. That's the second one. So it's off to your right, inside, up. So you take 10 millimeter and you loosen that one. It's kind of tight. But once you get it loosened, you can just use your fingers and untighten it the rest of the way. And that's the second holding nut. There it is. So you just place it down here and you can wiggle the lens loose. From there, it'll come out. Hold on. I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand. Okay. There's the inside of it. And your 4 or 5 bulbs. It's 2 on the outside, 3 on the inside. And the one that I have to replace is the outer side right here. And you just turn it to actually loosen the bulb socket. And it pops right out. That's it. You got access. Subscribe. Have a great day.